We'll guide you through how to use VS Code for Flutter app development. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. We're now handing over to Pauser.
First, open your browser and in your browser search bar, just go ahead and search for VS Code. And just click on the official website for VS Code and just click on download and select your operating system and just follow the setup prompt. It is pretty simple. And once that you have done that, we need to install the Flutter app. Open your browser once again and in the new tab, just go ahead and search for Flutter. From here, just go ahead and click on the official website, which is flutter.dev. And from here, just go ahead and click on Get Started. Here, scroll down and you will see different operating systems. So just select your operating system. In my case, it's going to be Windows. So I'll just go ahead and scroll down and you will see download manually option. Just go ahead and click on install Flutter manually. And from here, scroll down. So just go ahead and download the zip file by just clicking on it. And as you can see, the download has been successfully started. It may take some time, so be patient. And once that the download is complete, just go ahead and go to your file location. And here, one important thing to remember is do not place a Flutter inside program file or any folder with spaces or special character. So just go ahead and select your zipped file and click on extract all and delete all of the address, and you can just go ahead and only leave the C drive just like so and click on extract. Now just wait for the extraction to complete, and once that you have finished extracting, just go ahead and open your folder. Now inside the folder, just go ahead and open the bin folder, and from here just click on the address bar and just select your address and press Ctrl C to copy, and go to your Windows search bar and search for environment and open the edit the environment system variables. Now from here go to advanced and go to environment variable. You will see user variable. Just go ahead and click on the path of user variable and click on edit. Here just go ahead and click on new and paste the address that we copied earlier by pressing Ctrl V on your keyboard and click on OK. Click on OK and click on OK. Now that we have done that, just go ahead and open your command prompt. Just type cmd and open your command prompt, and in the command prompt just type Flutter and hit enter. Just wait for the packages to finish downloading, and now if the Flutter command appears on the screen, that means Flutter has been successfully installed and configured on the computer. Now let's continue with setting up VS Code for Flutter app development. Just go ahead and open your VS Code, and once that your VS Code is open, just go ahead and click on the extension tab at the left hand side. And in the search bar, just go ahead and search for Flutter. Just click on the official extension for Flutter and click on install. Just click on Trust Publisher and install, and just wait for the Flutter to download. And I would also recommend installing the Dart extension. So just go ahead and type Dart and just go ahead and install the Dart extension also. You can also install some additional useful extension. So just go ahead and search for Flutter widget snippets. Just go ahead and install Flutter widget snippets also. And after that, just go ahead and install Code Runner. These extensions are optional but very useful for Flutter development. Now let's create our Flutter project inside VS Code. So inside VS Code, just click on your file icon and open a folder. So I have already opened a folder, but I'm just going to show you how to open it. So just click on file and click on open folder, and from here just go ahead and open your folder, which in my case it's going to be VS Code. And once that you have done that, you will see in the Explorer we have successfully opened our folder. After opening the folder, you may see an empty Explorer section on your left hand side. Now we are going to create our Flutter application using the terminal. On the top, just go ahead and click on the three dot and click on terminal and click on new terminal just like so. The terminal will open at the bottom of VS Code. In the terminal, just go ahead and type Flutter space create space demo underscore app and then press enter. Flutter will now create a new application for you. This process may take a few seconds because Flutter automatically generates all the necessary folder and file required for the application. Once the process finishes, you will notice a new folder labeled as Demo App inside your workspace. This is your Flutter application. Now, before running the app, we need to make sure we are inside the correct folder because currently we are still inside the root workspace folder. Now, in the terminal, just go ahead and type ls. First, just wait for the creation to finish. And once the creation finishes, just go ahead and type ls and hit enter. This will display the folder available inside the workspace. Now enter the app folder by just typing cd space demo underscore app and hit enter. Now we are properly inside the Flutter application folder. Now once that you are properly inside the Flutter app, let's go ahead and type Flutter space run and hit enter. And you can see different kind of options. So I'm just gonna select the Chrome option. So I'm just gonna go ahead and type 2 and just wait for the connection from debug services on Chrome. You will see we have successfully created our Flutter demo app, and this is the Flutter demo homepage. You can just go ahead and click on this particular plus icon and you will see how many times you have pushed this button just like so.